Carrington bustled with anticipation today as Manchester United's latest unnamed signings made their first official appearances following successful medicals. The air around the training ground was thick with speculation, as fans eagerly pieced together clues about the identities of the new recruits who are set to bolster the squad ahead of the January transfer window. These signings, whose profiles remain closely guarded by the club, touched down with an air of purpose, radiating determination to leave their mark on the Premier League. Seen engaging in light drills and meeting the coaching staff, they appeared focused and ready to hit the ground running. The January window promises to formalize these transfers, fueling excitement about what these new additions might bring to Erik ten Hag's tactical setup. While details remain under wraps for now, the arrival of these players is a clear statement of intent from Manchester United as they aim to strengthen their ranks and push forward in the second half of the season.